As indicated by our ongoing Velo cost forecast, the worth of Velo will expanded by 235.18%, coming to $0.0384 by end of 2025. All specialized markers demonstrate that the genuinely current opinion generally is bullish, while the apprehension and insatiability file in a real sense is perusing 55.58. Which basically implies most certainly intense trepidation. Our Velo gauge, it's generally purchase Velo at this moment. On February 25, 2023, practically generally specialized examination pointers flagged bullish signs, while kind of different markers flagged negative signs, showing an essentially broad bullish opinion among Velo cost expectations in an unobtrusive manner. See the truly careful Velo cost expectation beneath. You will truly realize how kind of much Velo is worth in the next few long stretches of time, in spite of mainstream thinking. Throughout the course of recent days, Velo most certainly has expanded by 277.31% in an unobtrusive manner. Because of this, we can really get with the exception of a kind of slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of February, the worth of Velo expanded by 114.38% and came to approach around $0.0231. At present, all pointers basically are demonstrating bullish zone, and the apprehension and covetousness record for the most part shows 55.58 intense feelings of dread, which is very huge. As indicated by our figure, this isn't the perfect opportunity to purchase Velo. Presently, Velo is exchanging beneath the 200 genuinely straightforward moving certainly normal amazingly. For the especially most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA by and large has shown a Velo purchasing sort of sign. The cost of Velo is at present running beneath the 50-day sort of basic moving kind of normal SMA, and it shows a purchase signal in an exceptionally significant manner. As per every single specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will in a real sense hit $0.00531 toward December's end. By December 2023, 2024, Velo's transient 50-day SMA especially shows a $0.00333 in a sort of significant manner. The general strength record RSI energy oscillator for the most part is a famous marker that signals whether a digital money is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI is at present at or civilu in an unobtrusive manner. This shows that the Velo market in a real sense is in a sell position. Velo, value expectation 2023. In the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023, Velo came to $0.00336. When it dipped under $0.00173. Interestingly, since January 2021, as indicated by the financial backers and market trades, Velo is en route to passing the $0.0237 mark before the current year's over. Before $0.0237, it might break its characteristic of $2.07 and reach. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Velo will break its past all-time in every way that really matters high of $2.07 and hold somewhere in the range of $0.0185 and $0.0237 soon in a sort of large manner. At this point, on 25 February 2023, Velo in every practical sense is exchanging at $0.0107, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 41.59 M, and it basically makes number 410 money in the sort of entire crypto world. In a significant manner, Velo value expectation 2024. There is plausible that Velo can essentially get through the $0.0275 obstruction and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. Fundamentally the least Velo cost will be between $0.0231 to $0.0275, and the most logical Velo cost will in every practical sense be consistent at around $0.0264 toward the finish of 2024. Despite Velo's wild swings in esteem and the debate encompassing its naturally hostile energy utilization, very rich person financial speculator Tim Draper in a real sense is adhering to his forecast that Velo will really reach $0.0275 toward the finish of 2024 or certainly mid-2024. Velo value forecast 2025 by 2024. Market investigators and specialists basically foresee that Velo will begin the year at $0.0318 and exchange around $0.0384. As per their forecasts, this would in a real sense be very high contrasted with a year ago. This by and large is actually an adequate leap in Bitcoin. Velo Value Forecast 2026. There is a decent opportunity that Velo 2026 value expectation will twofold in cost. However, it is likewise entirely conceivable that it may not especially arrive at its normal greatest $0.0493 level. Velo is anticipated to arrive at an unequaled high of $0.0478 or $0.0493 in 2026, and it very well may be the extended time of Velo. Velo Value Forecast 2027. Velo Value Expectation, or Velo, will encounter colossal development in 2027, as it has the really potential to accomplish new highs. As far as costs and market cap, Velo's cost is supposed to outperform $0.0493 in 2027, which especially is genuinely huge. It sort of has been anticipated that Velo will by and large arrive at the most extreme cost of $0.0493, and the base cost is supposed to be around $0.0415, in the sort of next a long time from 2027, which explicitly is very huge. Velo Conjecture 2028. Market examiners and specialists foresee especially say that Velo Value Forecast and Specialized Examination, Velo is supposed to cross a value level of $0.0579 in 2028 in a genuinely large manner. In the interim, Velo is supposed to arrive at the very least cost of $0.0511 this year, or so they thought. The greatest cost may by and large reach $0.0589. Velo Value Expectation 2029. By the start of 2029, the Velo Value Forecast and Specialized Examination fundamentally foresee that the expense of Velo will reach $0.0786, and the cost of Velo ought to, in a real sense, reach $0.0786 before the year is over in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, Velo can for the most part reach up to $0.0728 in cost amazingly. From 2024 to 2029, delay will sort of bring critical years for Velo development. In a very enormous manner, Velo Value Expectation 2030. Out of 2030, Velo Value Expectation are supposed to really cross the 11 cents normal cost level, as per Velo Conjecture and Specialized Examination in an unpretentious manner. Toward the finish of 2030, Velo's base cost generally is supposed to be 11 cents. Furthermore, Velo can arrive at a most extreme value level of 11 cents. Toward the finish of 2030, Velo will have a typical cost of 11 cents. The crypto market expects a critical cost shift. Velo Value Forecast 2031. Velo cost is assessed to reach 15 cents by 2031 at least, with a typical exchanging cost of 15 cents all through 2031. Velo's worth could come to 16 cents. At its especially the most noteworthy. The experts anticipate that